for no reason. You're gonna find out later. I mean next week. I don't know. Okay. So, saving for a love na lang. This is sponsored by Morgan. You're gonna see what I'm gonna say at the end. You already have a clue when I said saving for a love where's the iPad? Let's see. I mean tablet.
Nag-grocery tayo.
Okay. Whatever card I get is gonna be R.
Oh.
Don't mind the box
Ano,
sounds.
pin mo? Grocery.
Yes,
Dilata din sa buong ganon. Parang umaabot ng 3. Wala pa ko.
We got 500! 500, 500, we got 500, guys. You gotta find that.
Aray! 19.7. Aray ko marga suko. Nadali ng baba mo mahaba. Yan.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that noise. Dito kasi matutulog kasi ko. Now let's mark down
Tama.
the
Walang chance.
7.
I forgot to already mark one. Black halebe.
Kaya naman sa buwan ng bayad.
Okay, now we're gonna find out what I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm happy for all the supports and everything.
Nasaan?
That's why there's no more iPad. I mean tablet. Cause guys, my dad,
Hello, D.
guys,
Kaya maganda sa ano tayo, pa-deliver
tablet.
lang tayo.
Girl.
ulit.
Girl, that's why I'll be saved.
Hindi.
I
Nag-grocery
just
tayo, di ba umabot ng 12?
Ay,
Kaya
shit.
ilang buwan na natin.
Buy me tablet, girl.
Naalala mo,
So,
naka 12K tayo.
I'm gonna get
Tapos
it.
umabot naman ng ilang buwan.
Thanks for watching. Bye, and thank you for my followers that. I mean just subscribe, guys, and thank you for all the support to my dad. Let me buy a tablet, and I'm so excited, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the support so much, guys. Bye, guys. I love you. See you in the next day.